Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. So guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how to make this beautiful turmeric soap. Like, this soap is so beautiful and it does wonders. Look at this, guys. If you are that person that loves using turmeric for your black spots, your acne, and you are scared of dirtying your sink, this is going to be a perfect soap for you. So guys, if you are interested, continue to watch this video till the end. The first thing we will need for this is a soap base, and I'll be using this aloe vera soap base. I love aloe vera so much because it has that cooling properties that when you use it on your skin, it feels so good. So I'm going to cut it into smaller pieces. I know some of you will be asking where I got this soap base. I got it from Amazon, so you can check it on Amazon. So I'm going to chop it into smaller pieces, like what you are seeing me doing now. If you are suffering from acne, black spot, this is going to be a very good soap for you guys, trust me. So after that, I'm going to transfer it into my small pot. Yes, that's what we need to do right now. If you don't have a smaller pot like mine, you can use a bowl. Okay, so now that I have it, I'm going to go in with coconut oil. Feel free to replace this coconut oil with any oil of your choice. If you have almond oil or tea tree oil, you can replace it with that. So I'm going to use coconut oil for this. Now that I have everything in here, I'm going to transfer it. I already have my water to a boil. I'm going to place it on top of the boiling water, and I'm going to wait until everything is completely melted. So it took me about 5 to 7 minutes for this to completely melt down, so watch out for that. Now it is completely melted. As you can see, I'm trying to stir to make sure everything is completely melted. And yes, look at our melted soap base. So after melting it, I kept it for about 3 to 5 minutes for it to cool down a bit. The next ingredient we will need is turmeric powder. So yes, that is what we are going to use. Yes, if you love turmeric, you need to try this soap. So I'm going to add turmeric to the melted soap base, like this quantity. Feel free to add the turmeric powder or reduce the quantity, but the quantity I use is just enough for me. So it's approximately 2 tablespoons of turmeric powder. I'm going to mix. Yes guys, at this stage you have to mix well in order to make sure everything is nice and smooth. So you can see me mixing. You mix. Now that I have everything mixed, here is my silicone mold. If you don't have this, you can use any substitute of your choice. So I'm going to transfer the soap base and the turmeric into my silicone mold, like so. Yes, after mixing the turmeric and the soap base, I know some of you will be asking why it turns into this color. I don't know, but that's the result I got. But trust me, there is nothing bad about it. That's the color you will get if you mix them together. So now that I have everything in my silicone mold, I'm going to keep it aside. And I waited for about 3 hours before the final result. So you have to keep it for at least 3 hours or until it molds and get solid. So yes guys, this is my soap after 3 hours. Look at that guys. I love the result. Like, it's so beautiful. If you don't want to use like turmeric mask, you can use the turmeric soap. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Yes, I'm going to proceed and take off the soap from the silicone mold. Yay! I'm loving what I'm seeing already. Yes guys, so we have our turmeric soap right on our screen. Look at that. Isn't this beautiful? I love it. Like, if you don't want to be using turmeric face mask every day and you have acne, this soap should be your best friend. You can use this every day, morning and evening, on your face or all over your body. If you have rashes, dark spot, acne, this is going to be the best soap for you. So look at the soap right here. Look at how it forms on my hands. The feeling is so beautiful guys. Like, I want, like, this is already my go-to right now. I love it. And at this stage, if you have this foam on your face and you don't mind, you can just allow it sit for like 10 to 15 minutes before you wash it off. But if you don't want to allow it sit on your face, you can just go ahead and wash it off. Yeah guys, so like I said, if you have pimples, dark spots, acne, and you want to use turmeric to get rid of it and you don't want to stain your sink, just try this turmeric soap and you are going to love the result. Guys, that will be all for today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.